What is going on, guys? It definitely, totally hasn't been a month since we've done one of these, right? Right? Unfortunately, it has been. I've been slacking off. These are supposed to be tested weekly, and it's been a month already. We are in the basement. This is going to be a smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm. I was gonna see how it looked in the dark, but I left this guy on. It's a dimmable lamp, pretty nice. We can go ahead and abuse this old ionization detector. And what I mean by abused is, that's what I mean. Before you get angry at me, I already have a bunch of these, and it looks like the door broke off. Kind of stinks, but it's a piece of crap anyways. Gotta grab my other crock. Also, the base is now gone. There used to be a base here. But the amp did not go. My relatives let me keep it for now. And before we go upstairs, you may be wondering, why the heck is the MS4 sitting here? Well, if you didn't see my recent video, system's gone because it is going to be moved into my bedroom. Because this room and this whole room is getting pretty much torn down for inspection. So I don't even think when I'm doing tests I'll be able to do this one anymore. I don't know yet. But it's not hardwired, so I could probably just take it down and put it back up later. But that's enough of my yapping. So now here we are in the kitchen. Okay, this one's good. I still have not replaced this yet, but I really need to. Coming here, right where a dog is. Her name's Bina. Well, I call her Bina, but her name's Sabrina. She does not like this testing. And, well, looks like she might have to skedaddle because there's some alarms right above her. Alright, let's get this started.
Fire.
Okay, these two are good. And then, of course, here is my bedroom. Okay, this one's good. Also, I am already kind of starting the panel's having issues again because when I took it out the wall anchor came out with it and it's stuck. Like, it's broken in half. So the wall anchor's just not letting the screw come out, so I can't really mount it. But as you can see, I've already put my rack of keys right here. So I guess that's a little bit of a start. I haven't tested this one in a pretty long time because I was too lazy to get the ladder, but this one also needs replaced. It's another piece of junk. That is going to complete this test. At this point, Some of them may be monthly, some of them may be weekly, because I'll forget or I'll get pretty busy. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.